Picture a giant hotel. Each floor of this hotel is like a VLAN, a separate space for different groups. Floor 1 is the lobby. It's always there, always open, but not a place where people should hang around for long. It's meant for passing through, not living in. That's VLAN 1. Now, some upper floors, let's say 1002 to 1005, are staff only. These are like maintenance levels. You might never go there, but the building wouldn't run without them. Those are the VLANs reserved for internal operations like token ring or FDDI, old systems but still part of the blueprint. Then there are the penthouse floors, exclusive high-security levels from 1006 to 4094. You can't just walk into them. You need special clearance, like transparent mode or VTP version 3 in networking terms. They're powerful, but you don't use them unless you know exactly what you're doing. Now, let's talk about how people get into rooms. An access port is like a hotel room door. It leads to one and only one room. When you open that door, you're only ever going into floor 3, for example. No confusion, that's how access ports work. One VLAN, one purpose. But the trunk port? That's the main service elevator. It goes to multiple floors, carrying supplies, staff, and room service. But to make sure everything gets delivered to the right place, each item is tagged with a floor number. That's your 802.1Q tag. Think of the tag like a shipping label. It includes the floor VLAN ID where it's going, a priority sticker if it's urgent, QoS level, even a rarely used checkbox for special handling, like fragile glass, the CFI bit. Now, dynamic ports are like flexible pop-up entrances at events. Depending on what's happening, they might serve as a simple room door or a hallway access point. These use DTP, which lets both sides decide what type of entrance they should be, but like temporary setups, they can be unpredictable, not ideal for high-security buildings. Then there's the voice VLAN. Imagine a duplex apartment with two tenants. One is a regular person, data. The other is a musician, voice. They live together, share the entrance, but the musician needs soundproofing, special bandwidth, and can't be disturbed. That's how voice VLANs work. Voice traffic is handled separately with priority. Now, to check the health of our hotel, the building directory, that's Show VLAN brief. It shows what each floor is used for. The status board at reception, that's Show interface status. It tells you what doors are open, what rooms are in use. Want to know everything about a specific door? Use Show interface switch port, the architectural plan, and the control panel for elevators, Show interface trunk. It tells you which floors the elevator reaches and which are blocked. Now for security, because we don't want guests sneaking into staff areas. Lock room doors as room doors, don't let them become elevators. That's disabling DTP on access ports. Lock elevators as elevators, don't let them become room doors either. That's disabling DTP on trunk ports. Don't let guests hang out in the lobby, VLAN 1. It's for passing through, not partying, and don't let elevators stop at floors no one needs. That's pruning unused VLANs from trunks to reduce congestion and increase safety. By turning your network into a well-managed hotel, every packet or guest knows exactly where to go, how to get there, and what areas are off limits.